Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's set, we're going to dive into some brand new colors from Sundara Nails. These are some really fun cat eyes. We're going to create a press-on set today on the shape medium almond. And before we dive into these brand new colors, we're going to be creating a really fun cat eye galaxy kind of style mani today. And these colors work and look amazing with a dark background. So we're going to use Phinx from Sundara Nails. It is just your regular black gel polish, but this one right here, it is everything. It is the purest black gel polish I own. It's not patchy, it's not streaky. I get full coverage with just one coat. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to start off applying one coat of Phinx on all of the nails here. And if you've been on the hunt for the perfect black gel polish, this one is going to be for you, especially if you like doing nail art because it is rich in pigment. You're going to be able to do a lot with nail art with this color in particular. And I love that it is that very gentle HEMA 21 free formula, which is perfect. And any color you pick from Sundara Nails, you cannot go wrong. I feel like any dark color would really look great, like a beautiful dark navy. Also, that new color that was just released from the Halloween collection called Buffy. It's a darker purple. I feel like that would look even great with the kind of style mani that we're doing today because we're going to be doing a really fun, easy galaxy mani today, and I just feel like any of those colors would look great or alternating. You could even do a white base if you want, or pull in some darker grays if you don't want something too dark, but options are definitely endless when it comes to creating the background for the kind of style that we're going for today. So we're going in with the first color here, and I could not be more obsessed with how this looks. I could have just kept brushing the polish onto the nail because it was very hypnotizing. You can see here we're pulling in some blues, and then the way the light hits it, we're pulling in purples. It is everything. These colors look great just like this over that dark color, and just curing it and you're good to go. It's going to give you this really awesome color shifting chameleon effect. But we're going to go in with the 5-in-1 magnet here, and we're going to go in and just create some lines. I'm using the cylinder magnet for this technique here, and basically I am just using the magnet here and just moving everything around here because I want to create like a galaxy kind of starry night sky. And the best part about these disco cat eyes is that they leave like this sparkly background. You can see like that silver sparkle that's on the dark part of the polish here, and it just gives it the ultimate cat eye. Plus you have like this reflective glitter in here. It is so gorgeous. It's beautiful. And if you hold that magnet on that darker side of the nail where we put the black is showing through with the magnet, you can make those particles kind of disperse, but I want them like that because we are creating that really awesome kind of galaxy kind of vibe. Now we're moving on to the next color. We are using 5 different colors for this set today. There are 8 colors in this collection, and these 5 right here are some of my favorite. So this one right here, it's beautiful. It has the perfect green touch to it, and then it has like color shiftiness of like a blue, and then depending on what way the light hits it, it kind of has a little bit of like a gold flecks in there. It is stunning, and this right here is like the ultimate chameleon, like snaky dragon kind of vibe. It is gorgeous. Again, options are going to be completely endless when it comes to these cat eyes because you can use them as full coverage colors, or you can make really fun designs with the magnet. And there's so many different magnets out there. I'm just using the basic cylinder one to create the effect that I'm going for. But if you're not doing galaxy style nails, you could do flowers, you could do so many different things. You could do like a French tip. Again, options are endless, but how fun is this? I really love this color. This is definitely one of my top ones. All right, so now we're moving on to Vampire Stars, which this one right here is really fun. It kind of has like this deeper pinky mauve color, and then it has some gold in here, and this one right here is so beautiful and unique on its own. I have not really seen any colors like this out here, so these are definitely beautiful and unique, and I'm loving the coverage that we're getting with just one coat over that one coat of that black gel polish that we applied beforehand. It is super pretty. So when I'm going in with the magnet, I am not doing the same like design on each nail. I'm just creating different kind of swirly lines here. and I kind of wanted it to hug the side of the almond nail to kind of create like the ultimate effect. And then I'm just pushing out some of those smaller sections out to kind of like spread out the color. But really fun to do. If you've never tried a cat eye gel polish, this one right here, this formula that we're using from the Disco Flash collection, these are by far some of the easiest cat eye gel polishes that I worked with, and they're really fun. And I feel like the base color of these gel polishes are just beautiful on their own, so it's pretty much effortless to create a cat eye effect because it does not have like that crystal base. So these are really fun. If you're in the market for some cat eyes, definitely grab a couple of these colors. So this one right here, it has a really beautiful blue and it pulls in teal. It is stunning, and it gets even better with that magnet here. So we're just going to finish up creating some designs here on the rest of the nails here, and then we're going to go ahead and add some really fun stickers to these nails to create the ultimate galaxy look. So now we're going into the last color, and this one right here, if you love purple, this is going to be for you because it is the perfect purple color. And then it has like this most gorgeous, almost like yellow gold reflex to it. It is absolutely stunning. If you are a Viking fan, this would be really fun for football season because it kind of ties in like the two colors together. I just feel like just like that slight hint of gold, I feel like is like that perfect color. I'm not from Minnesota or anything, but when I saw this color, I was like, ooh, this color would be good for football season. But here's what we're working with. See just how like just strong and vibrant that purple is in this one. Oh, these colors are so vibrant and just so beautiful. I feel like the black really makes it pop. And I love how we still have like that like flashback of that gorgeous silver glitter mixed in. So here's what we're working with before we go ahead and add some really fun nail stickers. Now this step right here is totally optional. You could totally stop right here. You could do some hand drawing of some stars, but we're gonna go ahead and use some stickers and that little silicone tool here. So these stickers are from Amazon, and right now I was kind of debating on which ones I wanted to use, but we're going to end up using this sheet right here for the majority of the set. So when it comes to applying these stickers, the best way is to kind of pinch down on the area that you're going to be focusing on that sticker, and then using that little tweezers and pulling that sticker off. I feel like pinching that paper down really helps that sticker kind of just lift, because sometimes when you're peeling nail stickers, because they are very thin and they are very delicate, you can either rip it when you're pulling it off, or you can like fold one side under. So I find that pinching the paper definitely helps. So right here, I'm using the tweezers, and I'm really kind of just making sure I have this moon exactly where I want it before we press it down. So that's why you see me kind of like not being too strategic here with my placement. And then once I have that moon exactly where I want it, I'm going to use the silicone tool from Sundara Nails and just press everything down. This also helps making sure that that sticker is laying completely flat, but it also helps remove like the clearness of the sticker. It kind of makes it kind of just like become one with the nail, so you can't even tell it's a nail sticker. I find that if I go ahead and press the sticker on the nail like we just did there and did not use a silicone tool to press it down, that I have like the hazy outline of the sticker still showing through on that nail. And there's just something about that silicone tool when you're firmly pressing that sticker down with that tool, it just eliminates the clearness that surrounds that sticker, and it becomes crystal clear and it's not hazy. So I really like using that silicone tool. I feel like it's a game changer when it comes to the nail stickers. Plus you're making sure that that nail sticker is becoming one with the nail and it's laying super flat. And the tweezers is definitely just like something that works best for me. It's a preference thing. If you don't feel comfortable using tweezers, you definitely don't have to, but I feel like these are very dainty, and the tweezers just really helps me peel that sticker off, and then it's helps me with the placement as well. But the game changer of the nail stickers is this silicone tool right here. So here's what we're working with the first nail, And I'm loving the placements. We have the moon, we have the star, we have like this like galaxy cluster. Now before I move on to place the stickers on the other nails, I want to make sure that these stickers do not start lifting. So I'm going to do a layer of gel base on this nail here and cure for 30 seconds. That way I know that these stickers are completely sealed into the nail. Make sure you cap your free edges if you have any of that sticker that was very close to the edge to prevent peeling. And while that's curing, I'm just going to keep adding more stickers to the rest of the nail here. And again, everything that we are using in today's video can be found in that description box below. The tweezers, I'm not really sure where I got those from, but I will link something very similar. So this galaxy cluster right here is a game changer, and I'm obsessed with this pattern. It definitely gave this set the full like galaxy potential that I was looking for, and I really like that it had a whole bunch like of a cluster on there, so I did not have to do like all individual stickers to create this effect. And then I'm just using that silicone tool and just making sure that that sticker is laying super flat. And then if you see any sides of that sticker that still have like a cloudiness to it, just go back over it with that silicone tool and then that cloudiness will disappear. And then we're going to continue doing a layer of gel base on that nail and curing for 30 seconds. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into the rest of the sticker placement here, and then I'm going to pop back in just a little bit.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated. Sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental, but this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy, 'cause this doesn't make any sense. You're broken down all my defenses. No way back to the old me. When I'm stuck here on planet X, I'll become the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. My head tells me to stop, but there is nothing I can do. No. When I'm with you, I lose myself. I feel good. Oh, yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space.
All right, so we're just finishing up that gel base on that other nail here, and now it's time to go in with the final step. We're gonna go in with a layer of gel top coat. The bottle's a little bit different. This is a vintage bottle. This is what the bottles from Sundara Nails used to look like. I stocked up when they were on sale, so that's why you're seeing that bottle there. And I'm just applying the gel top coat to all the nails here, and then I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. Here's the finished set. I love it. It was super simple. I just had so much fun creating the design with the magnet. They were very fun gel polishes to work with. The color selection, it is everything. These are great colors for spooky season and great colors for no matter what kind of style mani you're going for. But I'm really loving the whole galaxy vibe, and I love these stickers. They were super easy to use, and you can see here they're just laying so flat to the nail. And you can see I'm trying to like shift the nails around so you can really see like that cat eye, but they're just so fun and vibrant. And again, we only did one coat of that cat eye to create the design. If you wanted to make it even brighter and more vibrant, you definitely could go over it again and hit it with the magnet for a second coat if you wanted to, but you definitely do not need to, because this turned out so fun. And overall, playing with cat eye magnet polishes and creating art is just something different, and it was really fun to do. So everything that we did use in today's video can be found in that description box below. I hope you enjoyed today's easy set, and don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one.